So now that we have known what UGC is all about, how then do we see people that will be creating the brands that we are going to be creating this content for? Number one, in the PDF that I'm going to be providing in this training, I'm going to drop the list of some sites that you can go and sign up, so that if there's any opportunity, they will reach out to you. But before then, you don't have to wait until brand reach out to you. You can also reach out to them to create content for them. You can search them on social media, check the brands that you can create content for. So it's not that you just reach out to them and say, come, I want to create content for you. Of course, again, in the PDF that I provide, I'll also include the kind of words that you use when you are reaching out to brand. Just like this, my particular one, I just say, hi there, my name is Ija Perigang. I would love to create some UGC content for your brand. Check out my portfolio to view my work, plus the links to my social media pages are here. Please let me know if you're interested in working together with me or something. So that is how I do, that is to reach out to brands. So talking about portfolio, of course, I've made a video again. So in the series of this video, you are going to also learn how to create your own portfolio like this one. Okay, you are going to learn how to do it with your mobile phone, because you are going to, when you are reaching out to them, you are going to give them a link that will take them to your portfolio, where they are going to view and see, and also you add your social media handle so that they can chat you up and all that. All right.